This is the elevator at Walmart at the Millwood Star Mall in Millwood. This is a Schiller 3300. I'm starting here because there's a lot of people here. Oh! Elevator's here. Can't see the entire cab. 3. No door close button. That's strange. Here we're at 3. Alright, here we are at 1. We're going to stop here because there's a lot of people here.